Hello and welcome! In this video, we will explain how to use the door holder function on the Cerberus Fit FC360 Fire panel. Door holder systems are designed to keep doors open in normal operation and close them in case of a fire. The release of the door will be triggered by an I/O device or by a manual trigger. The release mechanism can be part of the fire panel, but the following aspects must be considered. Please additionally check your local code of practice. Detectors which are responsible for the door holder must be in a separate zone and shall not activate the remote transmission. The door holder shall be fed by its own power supply. A manual trigger for the release needs to be used independently of the fire detection system. Any fault of the detection line, the detector, or an I/O device must release the door holder which it is responsible for and which it is assigned to. For the configuration of the door holder function, connect to your panel and select the Detection and Control tab. Change the device type to door holder on each output of the I/O device which the door holder is connected to. If needed, change the device number. If two door holders have the same device number, they will be controlled by the same causes. A maximum of 32 independent controls can be assigned with the device number. Go to the Cause and Effect tab and expand the control devices. Scroll down and select the activation criteria for the door holder. The door holder can be triggered by fire, trouble, disable, or combinations of these three criteria for the entire zone or single devices. As the last step, apply the configuration to the panel and test the application.